Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install CSR Harmony wireless software stack on your Windows computer, and if you're receiving error code 1310 or 1304, that is csrcplhelper.exe.mui. So if you're receiving this error, to fix it, make a right click on the start menu and then open device manager. Once device manager is open, expand Bluetooth. Now over here in device manager, find you have to find this Cambridge Silicon Radio Limited. So you will find this over here in device manager. So you have to make a right click on Cambridge Silicon Radio Limited. Make a right click. I'm just showing you an example. I don't have this driver over here. So make a right click. This is just an example, and then click on update driver, and then click on browse my computer for drivers, and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then over here you will see these options like this CSR Nano Sierra. You will see this, so you have to select this CSR Nano Sierra, select this. Once you select it, then click on install. So this is just an example. You have to select CSR Nano Sierra and then click on next and install it, and this will help you to get rid of this error, and you should be able to install this driver. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.